What's up, guys? I'm back with another one, and today we're going to be checking out the new Asher Knife Co. Flashback. Now, this is the newest knife to the Asher lineup, and it was actually named Flashback by Slicey Dicey, who in an Instagram post by Asher Knives named it the Flashback, and it kind of stuck, which I have to admit it is kind of fitting because this knife really pays homage to the old school Barlows people used to carry back in the day. I know I had one, and I'll never forget that knife to this day. Now, it also kind of pays homage to the classic as well, which is I think Asher's first knife, which I absolutely love, and I've carried this knife probably more than anyone. I've carried this as a secondary for almost a year now, and it's been an excellent knife. But anyway, yeah, great action. Detent is dialed in nicely. Things drop shut, no problem. It actually came gray, but I dyed it black to match the Spiro. And yeah, 12C 27N blade steel. Definitely a great user steel. Yeah, I think they did a great job on this thing, and it's only about 40 bucks on the Asher Knife Co. website, which I'll leave a link to that down in the description. Don't forget, if you head over there to buy one of these bad boys, don't forget to use the code TIER10 for 10% off. And yeah, I will be doing a full review on this bad boy a little bit later on down the line once I get some more pocket time with it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. Stay safe. I'll see you guys on the next one.